Hi, I'm Jack from Lewmar Tech Support, and today I'm going to go through the manual recovery kit of the V Series Windlass. Firstly, you need to remove the drum in order to get to the gypsy. You can do this by undoing the top nut. So allow you to remove the drum and have access to the gypsy. When you get the base of your manual recovery kit, there is a pin that needs to line up with the hole in the gypsy. That's fine. You then put the adapter piece on, and then the nut of the manual recovery kit on top. Use a winch handle to tighten this up. This is now all in place, nice and tight. And you can now put your winch handle in and bring up your chain.